double click this link. From this video, for last couple of days, I created a new library called graph. So the implementation of graph is in this file. From this video, we will test Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm. I input the data of this tree, this function name. I will enable this function and start command prompt. CPP extension tutorial folder. This file name is 061 graph03.cpp. clang std C++17 061 graph03.cpp. hit enter. Then AEXE is created, CLS. We can see such message. I redirect the result to shortest path txt, hit enter. Start your file explorer in dev cpp root cpp extension tutorial folder. This shortest path txt is created. Open with your text editor. From this text editor, copy text from digraphs.g to the end of the file. In your web browser, viz2e.ter and Ctrl A, paste it. Modify it to Nito, not Nito, Osage. Okay, so this graph is generated. So it is finding the shortest path from C to A. This is the graph. Okay, A is here, and D, B, B, E, C, F, C. So this is Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm. It is visiting from C to A. I modified the source code from A to C. I modified the code. Then I rebuild. Then I regenerate the text. In text editor, I reload the file. I copy once again and paste it to this website. Ctrl A, Ctrl V. Then we have from A through D, through E, then C. This is the shortest path. The total distance is 7. More about the theory behind this algorithm, please watch this video. I will put the link in the description section below this video. Now let's try another example. I will disable this function and enable it. You can control click and watch this video. So I implemented this algorithm and I inserted the data. We are finding from A to F. We can change start is A and node is F. I modified like this. In the command prompt, I build once again and I generate the data, shortest path. Then it will be updated. Now I copy the data like this. Copy and paste it here. I will change it to ditto. So I selected the Niato. If we compare with this graph, it seems a little bit different. A is here, A, B is here. The distance between A to B is 4, and it B to D. The distance between B to D is 5, so this is 5, and it finds the shortest path from A to F. It goes through B, then D, then F. It goes to B, D, then F. The total distance from A to B is 4. From B to D is 9, because 4 plus 5 is 9. Then from D to F is 11, because the distance from D to F is 2. Okay, so this program finds shortest path. Now let's try from A to G. We can find from A to Z. We modify, this is start node, this is end node. We build once again and regenerate the data. Then it will be updated. I copy from this text, copy, and paste it here. Now if we compare with this graph from A to Z, it follows from A to E, then E to G, A to E to Z. The total length is 12. If you want to find from B to G, we can test like this. From B to G, then we rebuild, then we regenerate the data, then we reload the data in text editor and copy it and paste it here. Then it gives the graph. So it is visiting from B through D, then F, then G. From B, it goes to D, then from F, then it goes G. So the total length is 10, because 5 to D, then F is 7, then from F to G is 10. This is the shortest path. Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is July 19th, 2019. This is my 60th episode about the future of C++ programming, C++ 2A standard. In this episode, I demonstrated Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm implemented in C++ language. In my next episode, I will explain how to implement graph library in C++ language from scratch. To understand how to implement graph library in C++ language from scratch, we probably need to have more understanding about advanced C++ programming technique. In fact, we don't need much advanced technique to implement this algorithm, but we are trying to make library. So to make complete library, we probably need more advanced techniques. I already implemented graph library, talk, play, fun, graph.hpp in this file. It's about 1,300 lines of code, but this is just beginning, just a part of my library. I will implement more advanced technique and I will improve this library, but I will code from scratch. And I will teach you or help you understand all steps, all the coding steps and the testing steps, how to implement more complete graph library in my future episode. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my videos. In next session, I will talk more about unique PTR and more advanced programming technique before we get into graph library. So in next few sessions, I will explain some advanced programming technique that you cannot find in other C++ code or in some other C++ reference. Most of the technique I will talk about in my future episode is my own programming technique. So I highly recommend you to watch my future episode and also try the source code by yourself. And I highly recommend you to watch these two videos about Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm by clicking these links. And also, if you are new audience to my YouTube channel, then please visit extension talkplayfun.com website. By the time you watch this video, you can click this link and download complete source code. If you unzip the downloaded file and open CPP extension tutorial folder, you can find the complete source code of this episode and my previous episode. Also, if you want to build these files, you have to install latest version of Microsoft Visual Studio Code. You have to install latest version of Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. Also, you have to install latest version of GNU G++. Please watch this video to install latest version of GNU G++ on your machine. Even if you install the G++, please watch it because I also use Intel threading building block. And also, you have to make proper system environment variables. Please watch this video and make proper system environment variables for our development. Also, by watching this video, you have to make command prompt like this and also like this. Otherwise, you may not be able to follow my future episode. So you have to watch these videos. I will list these videos in the description section below this video. Please watch my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Beginning on my next episode, I will explain some advanced techniques that you can never learn from other books or videos. All these techniques are developed by myself, so these techniques will be very useful for your future C++ programming. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.